Savon here from TechRight. Sorry about my voice. First and foremost, I am so sorry about my voice. I got sick, I got the cold, and my throat is really hurting right now. So I'm sorry to anybody who has to hear my terrible voice at this moment. I just want to get this Umidigi F1 unboxing done for you guys because I know you guys have been wanting to see it for a whole month now. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Now, this version I actually bought off of Amazon. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, I will leave the link in the description down below. I don't know if there are any more left, but Umidigi was going to send this out. They took way too long to send it out, so I just took it into my own hands and purchased it on Amazon. I bought this for a little bit more. I actually paid $280 on Amazon instead of one of those other Chinese websites because I could not wait. I had to pick up one of these phones. So here you guys go, the Umidigi F1 unboxing. Sorry for my voice again. I know in the comments it sounds horrible. Shout out to the haters. Appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the specifications real quick, turn this over, but we have the box, Umidigi right here, just like every other box shows. Now I know everybody's going to be asking me, what are the bands on this device? Is it going to work on Metro, Cricket, all these other? I'm going to make a separate video, so make sure you subscribe. So turn on that notification bell and subscribe to the TechRight channel so I can tell you what carriers this phone actually works on. Now this is going to have a Helio P60 in it, a 2 GHz processor, Android 9.0, which is awesome to see in this device. For the RAM, this version is going to be 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. We can get 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM with ATF card. 5,150 milliamp battery. That's absolutely insane. That's 5,150. That is crazy. Also, we're looking at a 6.3 inch Full HD plus 1080 by 2340. Back, we're gonna have 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixels, so it's a dual rear shooter. And the front is gonna be a 16 megapixel camera. Definitely gonna do a full review on this phone and the camera, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hopefully my voice sounds better when I actually do the full review. But without further ado, we have our knife right here. Let's go and unbox this. We have the knife. Always cut away from you so you don't get hurt. And there we go. And they are going to provide one of these little adapters so you guys can charge in the United States. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. Again, for the network, for the GSM bands, it looks like we have the 2, 3, 5, and 8 GSM network bands. Let's go ahead and open this up. So number one, we get a thank you card. Next, we have the phone with the case in here. I got the black color. We're going to put this to the side, save the best for last. We have a little envelope right here with the SIM ejector tool. And we also have our quick start guide. Next thing we have right here is our AC adapter and our USB Type-C cable. Now finally, let's actually get inside of the phone because I've been very curious to see how this phone looks. Obviously, we're going to get that teardrop notch on this device. I'm super excited though. Let's go ahead and open this up. Awesome. So it actually looks like we have a pre-installed screen protector on here as well. So that's always nice to see. This is also the TPU case that we get with this device. First, taking a look at the back of the phone, we have our fingerprint scanner, we have our dual lens camera, and we have our flashlight. Go ahead and peel this off. Awesome. Really nice feeling phone. Really nice premium feeling phone. Honestly, it reminds me of the OnePlus 6T. Really nice looking. Looks like it's gonna have an aluminum back, so that's dope. Front side, we're gonna have our camera with that teardrop notch, so that's always nice to get minimal bezel on these devices. Let's go ahead and boot this up though. Right side of the device, we have our volume up and down button. We have our power button. Left side of the device, we have our SIM card slot. Bottom of the phone, we have our speaker, and I think this is going to be a stereo speaker, so it utilizes the bottom firing speaker and the headset, so that's always cool. We also have USB Type-C at the bottom and a 3.5mm head jack. But yeah, so far, really sexy phone, really nice feeling phone. Let's go ahead and boot this up though. Oh. Guys, can you see this screen? Oh my god. Yo, this screen though. Yo, speechless right now. The screen looks so beautiful. That's insane. Yo, it's so smooth too. Oh my god, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. Yo, this is insane right here. The screen looks so beautiful. So far, it's really smooth. Can you guys see this? This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, man. Full review on this is going to be insane. but obviously we have the teardrop notch right here. We're going to test out the camera, speaker, and see how the screen looks on video. And then after that, we're going to pretty much wrap it up, and we're going to do the full review and other videos on this device. But so far, looks amazing. Screen looks absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and test out the camera really quick. Looks like we have bokeh, pro, photo, and video on here. And as far as the video, let's see if that gives us 1080p 60 frames. So we're probably looking at 1080p 30 frames per second, but we're going to take a look more in depth later. Let's go ahead and take a photo real quick. So shutter speed is pretty fast, but honestly, this looks decent. We're going to go ahead and put it on the screen right there. Looks pretty good. I'm sure we can take better photos outside. I'm going to take a bunch of photos today and post them on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at tech.right to post pictures on all of these budget phones. So far though, looks really good. Let's try bokeh. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop that on the screen real quick. Looks pretty decent so far. And again, I'm going to take way more photos like outside and stuff. Pretty sure this doesn't show this justice. So we're going to go full in depth with the camera later on. Next thing we're going to do is go to YouTube, check out some video, take a look at see how it looks.
Next view to the mall and ask people how much they actually think this phone is. But before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout to Z.
Okay, so the volume is really loud. We have a stereo setup first and foremost. Headset is utilized and bottom speaker at the same time. Sounds really, really good, guys. Also, video plays up to 1080p 60 frames per second. It looks really, really crisp. Last thing I wanted to do was verify that we have Android 9.0 on this device, which is really amazing to see on a budget phone. So as you guys see right here, we have Android 9.0 on a budget phone. This is insane right here. Really, really nice that we see Android Pie on this device. But yeah, so far looks really nice. This is pretty much stock Android. Very, very fluid. Very nice going through the UI. And it looks like this phone's gonna definitely be for the books in 2019. It's honestly blowing my mind right now. The screen looks so good on this device. Everything looks decent so far. Fluid, Android 9.0. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick one up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the teching already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to see more videos on the Umidigi F1. It's been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.